guys, today we're here with Myfirstwig once again. This is the packaging as usual. Got a few goodies. Of course, I saw the wig first. I got the information card, also got a pair of wig caps, a rat tail comb, and the bag to store the wig, which always comes in so handy. Now this is today's gorgeous wig. This is a 90s inspired bob, a blowout bob. This is 9 inches long and the cap construction is top tier. It's also glueless. As you can see, it has a drawstring in it. It's pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked to perfection. Okay, you don't need to do anything to this wig. It comes fully pre-customized, perfect for the beginners and people who don't have all the time in the world to be styling their hair or going through a wig installation. Look at that. This is how the lace looks once I slip the wig on. It is so immaculate, very undetectable, and it's not, there's absolutely no adhesive on the lace. Okay, yeah, that looks amazing. I haven't even tightened the drawstring at this point as yet, but before I did that, I went in with my lace spray. You could use the lace tips if you don't wish to use any spray or anything like that, but this works pretty fast. This is from PS Luxe lace line, and yeah, I went ahead and adjusted the drawstring in the back afterwards. Everything is super straightforward and hassle free, very easy to do when it comes on to installing this wig. I also love this cut because look at the layered vibe. It is immaculately done, and also making that drawstring as tight as how you want it makes the wig so easy to wear. Like, it's not slipping at all. As you can see, I'm shaking it. But yeah, the cut of this wig is absolutely stunning. I then proceeded to going through the top portion and laying it with my hot comb, after which I went through the entire wig, just getting it super bone straight, which I was just being extra with that because the hair is already nice and silky straight. But yeah, I went through the entire wig after doing this step to just get the hair super bone straight with my flat iron. And next thing I really love with the cut of this wig is the fact that they gave this that layered vibe, and also that bang in the front, that swoop that take you back to the 90s. So you could definitely go ahead and lay the front like I'm doing here with my hot comb to have that effect, and it's giving timeless, it's giving 90s body. It's just a gorgeous, flawless vibe. So you have the option of doing that.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deep.
And then you have the option of also, pulling it back out of your face as well, so it's totally up to you. But I think this is a completely 90s fine kind of wig look, and I love it.
Stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needed. let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. If you want to go ahead and check this wig out, it's linked in my description box as well as all the specifications. Shout out to Myfirstwig for today's gorgeous wig look once more. That is it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.